Good day, ma'am, sir. I'm Helen Martilian, 26 years old, single. We are 5 siblings. I have 4 brothers and I am the 4th child. My father's name is Hermenildo Martilian and my mother's name is Erlinda Martilian. I recently residing at Santa Ana, Barilis, Cebu. I am computer secretariat graduate. During my college years, I am a working student for one couple and 2 children. My all works and responsibilities are all general housekeeping, like cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing, and cooking. Take care of the child. And I am also trained caregiver. Through my exposure in the government institution and private institution, I handle different types of clients like elderly, toddler, disabled, infants. I want to work in Hong Kong in order to earn money so that I can help my family financially. That's all, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, so what is your name again?
My name is Helen Martilian, ma'am.
So how old are you, Helen?
I am 26 years old, ma'am.
Are you single?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how about your educational attainment? How many years you studied in college?
I am 2 years in college, 2 years graduate in college, ma'am.
Okay. So you mentioned that you also studied caregiving course, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what have you learned as a caregiver?
I handle different types of clients, ma'am, like elderly, infants, toddler, and disabled clients, ma'am.
So how do you get along with elderly?
I assisted them for cooking and bathing, and then give them food based on the diet list of the elderly, and then give the medication and prescribed by the doctor, and then for the right time and the right dosage, ma'am.
Okay, so you mentioned also that you have an experience as a helper here in the Philippines for almost 2 years.
Yes, ma'am.
And you serve 4 members of the family.
Yes, ma'am.
So why you were not able to continue working with them?
I finished my contract, ma'am.
Okay, so Helen, what will you do if the children are fighting with each other?
I will separate them and then ask them for the cause for their fighting, and then told them not to do it again.
Okay, so how do you get along with the children?
Playing with them, reading books, teach some stories, and then teach them for right behavior and right attitude, and then tutoring them.
Can you sing children's song?
Yes, ma'am.
Please try one.
I have 2 hands, the left and the right, holding up high, so clean and bright. Clap them, clap 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to see.
Okay, thank you very much, Helen. So, Helen, do you know how to take care of a baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How will you take care of a baby?
Yes, bath them, then change their clothes and diapers, and then feed them with milk every 3 to 4 hours, and then give their vitamins prescribed by the doctor, and then give them tender love and care.
Okay, so do you know how to bath the baby?
Yes, ma'am.
So can you give me the procedure on how to bath the baby?
First, ma'am, make it sure that hands are clean, and then prepare the things are needed for bathing. The baby bathtub filled with lukewarm water, and then the baby soap, the baby shampoo, and then the new clothes of the baby, and then carry the baby with foot position, and then start cleaning the face of the baby by using cotton balls, and then start bathing the baby for from the neck and down to the toes of the baby, and then apply soap, then rinse thoroughly, and then do the same at the back of the portion of the baby, then apply soap again, and then rinse the then pat dry the baby, and then change new clothes, and then wrap the baby with towel.
Okay, so Helen, what will you do if you can make mistakes to your employer?
I will say sorry to my employer, and then I want to apologize my mistake, and then I do promise them not to do it anymore.
Okay, so what kind of dishes can you cook?
Only Filipino dishes, ma'am, like adobo, sinigang, humba. I do prepare also, ma'am, hamburger, sandwich, and then
So how about Chinese dishes? Do you know how to cook?
no, ma'am, but I am very much willing to learn, ma'am.
Okay, so Helen, if you're giving a chance to work in Hong Kong, what message can you promise to the prospective employer?
So my future employer, if you're giving me a chance to work with you as a domestic helper, I do promise that I want to do my best to serve you better, and I can assure that I serve you better, and I can assure that I am hardworking, responsible, honest, having unwavering patience, and willing to learn new things.
Okay, thank you very much, Helen, and hope we can find an employer for you very soon.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Show me your best smile.